So this is quite a useful thing we've discovered here. So one thing for you guys to know is that I use Inkscape once a year for this project. So and I use it here because it's free, so that you guys don't have to go out and buy Adobe when you're, just doing one quick design. So every year we discover like new little things about Inkscape and things it can do, and the way in which it works. Now, when we're looking at these two selection tools up here, if you've used like Photoshop or Illustrator or any of those other applications, these kind of relate to the select or direct selection tools, which will select different parts of an object. So when we're drawing out these 3D shapes, we get this kind of two-tone setup for it. Okay, I'm going to draw out a couple of these. Okay, so that's this little cube down here. Now, when we select it with the main selection tool and come down and select the color, change the color, it's going to change the color of everything. Okay. If we use the direct selection tool, we can select the individual faces, and then we can change the color of those individual faces separately. Okay. So when you're working with these tools, just keep in mind that the top tool is designed to select one object or one entire thing that you've drawn, and then the direct selection tool is designed to select one part of that object you might have drawn, or the different points. So if we have this selected here, I believe we can actually maybe get into the different points of it. Oh no, we have to double click on it to get into that. But then we can come in and we can presumably change the way the 3D-ness of this object is working. Yeah, so using the selection tool here, if we double click, we're actually then into this 3D mode where we're changing the vanishing point for the X, Y, and kind of Z axes. So the Z axis is very faint there, but you can see when I pull it out to the right, this yellow line, it's changing the kind of way those 3D shapes are facing. Okay.